Hello everyone. We got another pair of Wmns VaporMax here. This is, I think, the second last pair of Wmns VaporMax I copped that day, so there's not too many more of these videos left. But they're definitely going to come out. And I'm still looking for someone to be able to throw these on for my videos. Sadly, I can't find anyone that fits these random sizes. So there's a job posting available here. If you're interested, let me know. Here we have a pair of pure platinum VaporMax. Now these are pretty original, pretty flashy colorway, light, and they're very bright. I'd love to do a giveaway on these things, just cause like that's the way to go, you know? I'm not gonna be able to wear them, so someone might as well wear them. But I don't think I'll be able to do a giveaway on these unless I get enough subscribers. So I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel, and that would really help me get the giveaways going. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, there will certainly be a giveaway. There will certainly be a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. However, I'm gonna need a little bit more than that to give these away. So let's get it going. What do you guys think you can do? And what do you guys think of these awesome VaporMax sneakers? And the fact that I picked them up at the outlet mall. So they're pretty fly. They're pure platinum, as you can see. It's got that white Nike logo. Gorgeous colorway. Super light VaporMax sneakers right here. Let's get it as close as we can and get the whole shoe in focus for the thumbnail. Pretty cool, isn't it? The back of the sneaker, everyone should know this. It says VaporMax right here. Pretty famous. The bottoms are pretty awesome. They say Air Max. Pretty fly sneaker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to increase your chances of possibly winning the sneaker, because I'm very much willing to do a giveaway. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.